Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a very fun video for you. If you guys did watch my make a kit with me for September, you guys would already know what's in this kit for the most part. I am adding a few more things, but I want to do something for those who don't have a lot of time to watch a video. So I'm going to do a quick overview of my kit for this month so you guys can get a little look at what I'll be using in the projects this month. So I talk a lot in my other video about it, so I'm going to go through pretty fast what I have. I'm going to start with the new stuff in case you did watch the other video. That way you get to see what the new stuff is without having to sit through everything. These 4 items on top here are all from the dollar store. Also, sorry about that lighting. This is some metal word set, which you guys can look at more of this stuff up close in my latest haul video. I have this leaf ribbon, which is in the shape of little leaves, some paper, fabric leaves, and some felt leaves. So those are all from the dollar store. Great deals. Definitely check them out from the Dollar Tree. Then I have this Technique Tuesday stamp set that I really want to use. Sorry, it's also off here because if I put it here, then the light gets in the way. So that's going to be annoying throughout this video. But like I talk about in a different video, since the windows are directly that way across from my desk here, at this time of day the lights really come shining in, so a little blinding. I have these alphabet stickers from the Paper Studio, little black circles with gold type. Then I also have this set of thickers, which I feature in my latest haul video as well from Hobby Lobby. So now that the new stuff's out of the way, at least most of the new stuff, I did add stuff in here probably after the fact, but we're just going to whip right through this so you guys can see what I'm working with for my How to Kill a Kit with Style September kit. Here are all the washi tapes I chose. I'll do a close-up here. We got some blue, some tealy blue, some orange. It's a darker orange than this. It's more of this color here. And then a bunch of fun gold and gold glitter. So gold foil, gold glitter. Super awesome. And if you guys didn't watch my other video, my whole kit is based on a paper pad, which is in the back here. And I'll show you that probably towards the end since I'm going to go this way through my organizer here. And before I forget to mention it, this organizer is from IKEA. It's FJALLA. Not sure how to pronounce it, but that's how you spell it. If I can find it online, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. These are some metal embellishments by Ken Oliver for Maya Road, and these are from Tuesday Morning. Little clocks. Thought that was cute. I have some little cork pieces. These are from Oriental Trading, just some cork stickers. Some Martha Stewart animal stickers. Super cute. My theme for this is essentially autumn and fall. I have a ton of projects planned. These are from 7 Gypsies, some label stickers, Freckled Fawn, red label stickers, and some old Heidi Swap stickers. Like I said, I am going to whip through this pretty quick, because if you watch my other video, this is essentially a repeat. But I'm going to put everything back before I forget where it fit. I have 3 little, I guess they're sort of jute twines. Orange, white, orange, black, and orange. Perfect for Halloween. And these were from Michael's, I want to say. I always buy a ton of stuff when it goes on clearance, because orange, I've used these on non-Halloween layouts as well, but just like to have them around. I have a little bit of mixed media stuff. I have a Heidi Swap Tea Color Shine and acrylic paint. This one is in the color Cadmium Orange, and 2 of the Faber-Castell Gelatos, which I don't think the colors on the individual one, oh yes they are. We have Tangerine is the darker one and Mango's the lighter one. And then I also have a little stack of buttons in here. These are just some gray buttons. And like I said, this is the fast forward version. If you'd like to see more information about how I chose everything and what process I went through to choose everything, I'll have that other video linked down below. Next up, it looks like I have sequins. So I have, oops, I grabbed something else. I have this little pack from Spiegel Mom Scraps. This is a little sample pack. These are the dark wood grain set. I have Evergreen Bow, Gold Summer Sunset, and Galentine Valentine. And so you guys can actually see these. I'll bring them up here. Let's see if I can hold them all at once. Probably not. So we have Evergreen Bow over here, which is greens and oranges. Just waiting for it to focus. We'll get there eventually. There we go. Gold Summer Sunsets, oranges, yellows, and clear. And then Galentine Valentine has this teal color that I really wanted. And also some whites and grays. And then there's the mini pack. Super fun. You'll be seeing me use those a lot. Here are all of the Project Life and pocket page cards I picked out. A majority of these are from a Simple Stories photo pack. I don't know what they're actually called, but they're just that pack where you get all of the pocket page cards, like all of them. So I have all of these, this whole stack. I won't go through them all, but I'll do a little fan of them. And I have other things mixed in as well. So super fall, like that plaid, that screams fall, guys. So there's 2x2, 3x4, 4x4, and 4x6. And I do have a couple other 3x4 cards I picked out. That's just a scrap piece of paper. These ones are, this one's from Studio Calico. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. It's actually a little pocket. This one's from Project Life, both of these. We Are Memory Keepers. And then this one, I don't know where it's from, but it's cute. So put those back. And one of the main projects I want to work on September is the 30 Days of Grateful album. I'm going to make a little mini album this year and try that out. I've never done that before, so I figured why not give it a try. I think I'm actually going to push this way. Okay, I might have better lighting now. We'll see. We'll go through this little pocket of goodies next. I have some rub-ons included in this kit. These little ones are from Studio Calico. There's one that says Everyday and one that says Real Life. And then these ones are from Project Life. They're just a fun golden coppery color. So I've used a couple of those, but not most of them. And then I have some label stickers. These are just some craft label stickers that I had from the Dollar Tree. Again, great deal. You get 50 label stickers in a pack, but I'm slowly getting through them. These are the Reset Girl Carpe Diem clear sticker set. So here you go, a little sneak peek perhaps. I'm dropping things over to the left or to the right of me. So a bunch of different stickers in there. Some puffy stickers from Bella Boulevard. Some gold Heidi Swap stickers that I want to finish up. Some Jelly Bean little journaling card stickers. And then some, these are actually cat theme stickers from Simple Stories. But they just went so well with the color scheme of the kit that I figured I could get some cat pages done while I'm at it. And then one sticker from My Mind's Eye that says, "You are my sunshine." Also, sorry, I'm off to the side again. I don't know how I was going to film this video. My desk is very much so a mess, and as I mentioned in other videos that I've been filming recently, I don't have AC out here, so it is beyond hot. I have my ceiling fan on, and it is doing nothing for me. I did include a tool in this, what do you call this? In this kit this month. This stuff's falling, and it's annoying me. And this is it. This is a Martha Stewart Maple Leaf Punch. I used this on a Spiegel Mob Scraps project recently, which I would show you, but it's across the room, so I'm not going to. But it's just a little handheld punch, so you'll be seeing me using that. I have these die-cut cardstock numbers from Studio 112 that I want to try to use. Some Freckled Fawn cork letter stickers. And they're not stickers, they're just cork. I have to glue them on myself. These foam stickers, which I assume are Recollections or a brand like that, but they're very fall. These are Crepe Paper Open Road 3D banners that are felt and cardstock combined. Cool, super fun. Pink Fresh Studio Boy Fort wood button stickers. Pretty Little Studio star stickers. Freckled Fawn things. Jelly Bean Soup stickers. This little paper pack, which is by DCWV. It's Trade Winds collection. Lots of golds and reds. And browns, neutrals. There we go. Oops. Again, this lighting's just not with it today, right? Okay, so there's that. I have one stamp set that I included in the original kit, and it's this alphabet stamp set from Dear Lizzie, which is absolutely super fun. I don't think there's a name for it. No. Okay. I have a stencil from Heidi Swap. This was given to me in a rack from Susan. These are Creative Memories. I like this deep red color. The pink and the light tan color also kind of go with my kit, so I just included all the papers. Might as well try to use that up. And then another stencil here, and this one's from Teresa Collins. So I think now that I'm into the big stuff, like the last pile's the big stuff, I'm going to move this whole organizer out of the way to make room for the big stuff. And hopefully it'll fit without the lighting going all wonky, but if not, you guys understand. Filming is always a struggle. And I already mentioned where this organizer is from, but I think there's other places that make it. So if I can't find this one, I'll try to find something similar. Okay, now that that's done, I included all of my Halloween stuff, mainly because I want to do some Halloween cards and decorations. So I do have a Halloween paper stack I decided to throw in last minute. This is the Bewitched stack from DCWV. Super old. Old as in, I think it's from 2001, 21, 2011. I thought it said it on here. Maybe not. Oh yeah, 2012. That's super old, guys. So I have a ton of it left. Quick flip through. Very spoopy, very spooky. Hopefully can bust some of it. Get rid of some of it, hopefully. Then I have all my stickers for Halloween. We got Tim Holtz, Recollections, which, speaking of it now, I do have some more Halloween stuff. I don't know where it is, but I know I have a washi tape book that's Halloween themed, so I'll have to get that out. American Crafts, October Afternoon. That's pretty cool, right? Sticko, Studio G, and My Mind's Eye. So a crap ton of Halloween stuff to look at and hopefully use. I included some cabin stickers because I like the pine cones and little trees for like my outdoorsy stuff. And then there's some beautiful fall flowers in here as well. We have some alphabets that I included, some Amy Tangerine thickers, this is the lucky ones, and then some brown stickers, which have been in my stash for way too long. I have these doilies, green leaves, and yellow sunflowers. These are from the Christmas tree shops. I know it's a chain, I just don't know if it's all over the country or not, but those were super old. I don't think there's a date on them, but look in the party section for things like that. I have this giant bag of embellishments that I'm not going to go through. Tags, wood veneer, die cuts. You'll see it in my video if I use it, essentially is what I'm saying. I have this Jelly Bean Soup label sticker set from Spicy Social Soup. That was a mouthful. I have some paper scraps. I'm also not going to take those out because I'm lazy. And lastly, oops, that made a loud noise. Well, I guess not lastly, but this is the paper pad I formed everything around. You can kind of see the color scheme coming together, very fall-esque. But it's by Craftsmith, and it's the Happy Fall paper pad, which is from 2 years ago, 2016. Which I know they've brought out old paper pads before if they haven't sold, but it's very unlikely that this is still available. I know the other fall paper pad's already out, so don't worry if you want a fall paper pad. They'll definitely have one at Michael's. But here's a flip through. Very interesting color scheme, as you guys can tell. Also, I didn't turn my filming lights on, guys, because they produce so much heat. So that's why there's such bad shadowing. Beautiful cut apart sheets. We're gonna bash some stash this month. If you want to do something fun, leave me a comment with how many projects you think I can get done this month. I'd love to have a goal. I'm not going to set a goal in case I don't reach it because that'll be very disappointing. Before I forget, I also have this little tin of goodies. These are Flair, Crafty Pocket, mostly Freckles Fawn stuff, Click Kit stuff, American Crafts bows, Tim Holtz gears, and then Studio Calico wood buttons is mostly it. I have this little hashtag that I don't know where it came from, but gold is cute. So that is my kit. It is crazy large, I understand that, but I'm into fall and we're gonna do this right. So I included all of my fall stuff that I possibly could find, including new fall stuff, which I have ideas for. Don't worry, you guys will see me use the stuff, and if not, you can yell at me after this month is over. So hold me to it. Leave me a comment down below with how many projects you want me to make. So that includes like cards and stuff. If you guys want to see more cards, let me know. I'd love to make more cards for videos, but I'm also lazy, so we'll see if that happens. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick version of my How to Kill a Kit with Style September kit. I know people are short on time these days, and if you can't listen to me ramble for over an hour, this is your shortened version, which doesn't seem that short still because I've talked for so long. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!